speech by Dr. Manmohan Singh in which he said that Muslims have the first right on resources.
Not true. Not true. Not true. Factually incorrect. Please read the speech.
He did say that. He said, and he
He
said
said Dalits. One second. He talked of all the marginalized.
particularly Muslims.
No. So they didn't say only Muslims. Particularly means that all of them, particularly, why? Because they are below the scheduled tribes also.
No,
if you look,
where?
Yes, you look at data.
Which
I'm sorry.
data?
You take any data.
No, which
Go
data?
to the official data. Official data.
They are not below the Dalits.
You are wrong.
Okay, you want to talk about
You
the
are
Sajja
wrong.
Committee report or the Ranganathan Mission?
No, I don't want to talk of any report. Look at the official website of when Dr. Manmohan Singh made that statement. You go, you check it up, and then you come and ask me.
That's why I'm asking you. They are not below the Dalits. There's been no survey done.
There has been a survey done. I disagree with you, but I can give you the data later.
So what has happened is that the government at that time went with the Ranganathan
You're
Mission
unnecessarily
committee report.
going into issues which Dr. Manmohan Singh didn't talk about, and I don't want to carry this dialogue forward because I am part of that government.
Yeah.
I know Dr. Manmohan Singh, and there were no first priority given to the Muslim community in this country.
So
Factually speaking.
you were in the cabinet, which is why I'm asking you.
Therefore, I'm
Because
telling you.
It was there, and that's why they got it implemented in Andhra Pradesh
This is what I am telling you.
as a model.
One second. Andhra Pradesh was a decision of the legislature which was struck down by the court.
By the court.
Right? That was on reservation. See, I'm sorry.
Resources is
Resources is
reservation.
not reservation. Again, conceptually you're wrong.
No, when you're saying reservation,
You think
what
that
else is-
Dalits reservation under the constitution is resources?
So
Just
when-
let's
when
look
you
at
say reservation,
one second. Let me answer your question.
Sure.
Right? Article 14 and Article 15 and 16 have reservation for whom? Backward community, scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. Is that distribution of resources?
so when you are talking about they have the first right of
One
resources
second. No, you are now-
because of Muslims.
You are changing the subject. You talked about Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh talked of reservation. Didn't talk of resources.
How, when you're talking about reservation, you're talking about getting the first right.
Wrong.
Right?
That means that the first right goes to Dalits under the constitution. First right goes to scheduled tribes under the constitution. First right goes to backward.
Please tell me,
Of
because
course
that's
not.
what Dr. Manmohan Singh said.
Again,
They have the first
now
right of
you are
resources.
first misinterpreting what Dr. Manmohan Singh, and then you are equating reservation with resources, which is factually incorrect, conceptually incorrect.
Both, it was Muslims who were supposed to get it.
Who
Because
said
as
that?
per-
Which resources did Muslims get? They got it.
Whether they got it or not, he said they
Oh,
have
I
the
see.
right.
So
right?
you say for 10 years, Dr. Manmohan Singh did not do what you say that what Modi says he did.
Because,
Hold on. He did not do it.
I'm not interpreting
You just said
Modi
it.
ji.
You just said
what
it.
I'm saying is, no, I didn't say that.
You just
they
said that he didn't do it. It was a statement, but he didn't do it.
So what I'm saying to you is that Dr. Manmohan Singh said this and Prime Minister Modi picked it up. I'm not saying that what Prime Minister Modi
So
said
therefore,
that
Prime
they have done it.
Prime Minister Modi is making political capital out of a factual statement
It's a-
that wasn't there.
It is.
That one second. In fact, there are two statements. One statement is priority of resources. The other statement is assets. Amit Shah ji is saying that the assets of the country will first go to Muslims, which is a blatantly false statement. Blatantly false statement. Dr. Manmohan Singh never talked of assets. You want me to give you that statement
two
of
separate
Amit
issues.
Shah?
Two separate issues. One was on Prime Minister Singh talking about resources. The manifesto saying assets.
Which manifesto says
the
assets?
Congress manifesto
Show me.
says the Congress manifesto says that we believe now.
Show me. You
Again,
just read it for me.
When the Congress
Please,
manifesto,
once you make that
the
statement.
interpretation of
No.
that.
Now you have contradicted yourself. You said Congress manifesto says it. Now you say interpretation.
So, yes, because, no, 1 minute. According to Chidambaram ji, he says CAA को हम हटा देंगे.
Now don't go to CA. We'll come to CA.
No,
First,
one
let's
minute.
stick
No,
to
when
that
you're
topic.
talking about the manifesto.
Yes, miss, you can't be interviewing me and changing topics. You
Why
first told
not?
me, you just said
Why not?
Congress manifesto says
Manifesto
assets.
Manifesto talks about equitable distribution.
Of what?
I don't have
Of what?
it at present.
Of assets.
Of equitable exact word.
One second,
I don't
I'll tell you the
have.
words. Article 39 of the Constitution, 39B says, the resources of the community shall be so distributed as to subserve the common good. This is what the manifesto says. You tell me what's wrong
So
with it.
now, when you say that interpretation is different.
No. Tell me what's wrong
So-
with this. This is the Constitution.
Though that's fine. Am I arguing about the constitution? What I'm saying is that when the Congress picks it up, then it's equal game for the.
So if the
BJP to
Congress
pick it
picks up words of the Constitution, it is wrong.
So what they have said, what Prime Minister Modi said,
Prime
and
Minister
then-
Modi is used to making statements which are far away from the truth. Prime Minister Modi also said that the Mangal Sutra of Hindu women will be given over and the assets will be taken and given to those who produce more children.
All right.
Please answer that.
Yeah, I will.
Why
So-
did he say that?
So when
Is that the truth?
So let me answer this. What the BJP says is that when it talks about when he was talking to the audience, this is off the record, that briefing that we have. It's not been explained on. Now, what they say is that when Rahul Gandhi says सबका forensic वो होगा audit होगा to see who has how much wealth, which caste has or which community or which grouping.
If you
so
ask-
let me just
if you
complete.
ask me
You
one-
asked
sorry,
me
sorry,
something,
okay.
right? So who has wealth, and depending on jitni abadi utna hak, it goes off to those people. Now the point is that when you talk about equitable distribution of wealth, when in a political speech, when you're talking to rural women, when you are talking to rural men, rural women से आप क्या बात करोगे? उनके पास क्या है resources? उनके पास they don't have access to resources, right? It's the men in the family who have assets and access to resources. The women only have Stridhan. The women only have their Mangal Sutra and the gold that they wear. So when you say that आपका जायजा लिया जाएगा कि तुम्हारे पास है कितना, how much land do you have, how many houses, how many scooters, how many tractors, how much borewell, then women के पास तुम्हारे
Where
पास
is
क्या
all that in the
है?
manifesto?
So when
Where is all
again
that
it
in
is
the
an
manifesto?
interpretation which
So
I'm saying
you can
again.
interpret anything, like I can interpret your questions as
So
saying that
no,
you are asking me
asking
questions.
me that why did the president, why did the prime minister say
The Prime
this?
Minister is saying this because he wants votes on the basis of falsehood.
Okay.
Let me be clear on it. Nobody, no Congress manifesto says this, no Congress manifesto talks of it. I'm not a congressman. I'm an independent member of parliament. I've read both manifestos.
Sir, you are completely a congressman even though you've left the Congress.
That
Isn't it
doesn't
quite
matter. My
clear?
heart is in that ideology, but I'm not a congressman.
Click here to watch the previous episodes.